Welcome back to my channel, family. This is Madela's channel. Today I'll be letting you guys know how to make aloe vera hair oil using coconut oil. Okay, family, let's get into this. So what we are going to first do is cut the aloe vera sides first. And the bottom, do the same. Aloe vera has lots of properties that are beneficial for the hair, and it can be used for all hair types. That's the one advantage of it. Okay, so right now, because we are doing aloe vera hair oil, we have to cut. We don't need to remove the skin of the aloe vera. We need it to make the oil. So right now we are going to cut the aloe vera into tiny pieces. Aloe vera can be really messy, so it's advisable to put a piece of cloth on your table, or you could just put a paper there to prevent your table from getting messed up. Make sure the aloe vera is not too big or too small when you're cutting it. One more to go. This hair oil we're about to make helps grow one's hair very fast. Okay, remaining this one. Cut into two, then slice down. Okay, so we are done cutting. Okay, so all we have to do next is I'm going to be using the coconut oil to fry the aloe vera. I got this coconut oil from the supermarket, Alvihaj to be precise. Okay, so right now I'll be adding the coconut oil. You don't need to measure the quantity. It depends on the amount of oil you want to make. Okay. So to pour in the aloe vera. Stir it and allow to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it's ready now. I'll just switch off the gas and allow it to cool for a while. Okay, so this is how it's looking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all the aloe vera inside because I only need the oil. Okay, so I'm going to be using a damp white cloth to sieve the oil, just to make sure that there are no particles inside. Okay, so yes, so I'm going to be adding my castor oil, my Jamaican black castor oil. I got this from the supermarket, Alvihaj as well. I'm going to be adding avocado oil, pure avocado oil, and some of my lemon oil. I made this myself actually, and I'll be making a video on how I made this oil. I'll be using vitamin E also. Okay, let's start by adding 1 tablespoon of each oil into our aloe vera oil. So this is a tablespoon. Tablespoon of this one too. Tablespoon of the lemon oil. And I'll be using 3 capsules of the vitamin E. I'll have to make a puncture into it and pour into the oil mixture. Okay, so stir very well. And that is your aloe vera hair oil. This oil is very good for hair growth. It stimulates growth, it removes dandruff, and does a lot of things to your hair that actually helps it grow longer and faster. If you're new to this channel, this is Emadella. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and see you in my next video. Thank you.